Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Gapester here, and today I'm here with my very first figure review that I've been going on for years now, but finally, today's the day. Now, this may not be like a recurring series, it's just because I'm getting some new stuff, so I decided, you know what? I'm just gonna make a figure review on it, so, yeah. But today it's just an unboxing of the Godzilla 85, Neca. Oh, he looks nice in there, doesn't he? So, here's the front of the box, the side, the back. As you can see, there's text there. You can pause if you want to read it. Side. There it is. Now, some quick history. You're gonna be like, Gapester, don't you already own Neca 85? Well, yes, but I sold that one. And that was the original release. And I want to sell my Memorial Box Godzilla 85, but we'll talk about that later. And plus, I want a super articulated version of this guy anyway. So, let's just get him out of his prison, shall we? Alright. Let's see here. Oh, shit. Just cut myself there. Alright. We gotta get rid of this part right here. Okay, I'm doing a fucking bad job of this. Okay. Okay, we'll try to do this. Son of a bitch, I'm stabbing a figure. Ah, damn it. Wait a minute. I know exactly what this needs. What this needs, instead of a fucking knife, instead, we need scissors. You're kidding me, right? You're kidding me. Oh my god, Neca, why you gotta make it so fucking hard to prove next time? Oh wait, you guys are going out of business. No, not out of business, but you guys are losing license. So damn it. Damn it. Ah! Sense so this way this part is stolen. Ah, jeez. Whew. Oh, we still got the neck to do. Well, at least it's nothing like the freaking other stuff, and it's a bit more breaks. Cut there. Ah, shit. Oh. Okay, I think he's... Oh, got the freaking tail right there. I used to be getting the tail. Man, I don't know why there was actually bending wires on these guys, but... Oh, it's happening right now. What the heck? Oh, the other foot, of course. I'm terrible at these. Never trust me to open your Neca shit, because this is the way I'm gonna do it. Give me that knife. Okay, we got him out. Now let's get more freaking tail out. Oh wait, let's slide it out. Get out of here. Alright, now that that's out of the way. Now, here comes the classic freaking struggle to put this on now. Oh, jeez. I'm strong, come on. Get big, get strong. I got this. Ow, the spines really hurt though. Okay. Oh, yes, we got it. We got it, boys. Whew. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Okay, definitely gonna need to heat this guy up a bit. The fins definitely look better. Way better, actually, than the, freaking original Neca release. I would compare them, but I don't have it anymore, sadly. Okay. What? Whoops. The heck's that red stuff there? What the hell is that? Weird. Okay. Mouth has a jaw hinge. Gotta force it a little bit. Okay, now. I guess we can do a little size comparison real quick. Just only with the monsterarts Godzilla. When I do a figure review, I'm gonna be comparing it to more stuff. So for now, here's the brand of monsterarts Godzilla 1985. Now, I said I was interested in selling this earlier. Yes, I am interested. Hit me up on Instagram. It's Gapester. If you want to cop this guy, I'm probably gonna sell him for like $100 or something. I don't know yet, but if you want to negotiate, I will. Yeah, we'll talk about it in the DMs. But for now, this guy will probably be like over $100 or something. So yeah, thanks for watching this unboxing. There will be a review coming soon, and another unboxing actually coming soon. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeehaw! Ha ha!